Hello my friends and welcome back to the rabbit hole, and on today's video we have a very special guest, my mom, and the goal for today's video is we are going to convert my mom to Korean skincare. Did you know this?
No.
Oh. So if you saw my video on where to start with K-beauty, I talked about an intro set that Stylevana had made. They have continued to make these intro sets. They sent me over one today, and we are going to go ahead and give that a try together. We'll see if that's a good intro for you to start with some K-beauty. So this kit is called the Vana Family Hydration Kit number 2, and it feels especially jam-packed to me. Look at how many products are in here.
It is jam-packed.
This is $73.99 for all of this skincare.
That's amazing.
And of course you can get an additional discount with my affiliate code, which I'll have somewhere on the screen and in the description box below. But all right, we got to see what you know about skincare, where we're going to start with all this. There is a cleanser in this kit. This is the Haruharu Wonder Black Rice Moisture Deep Cleansing Oil. Have you ever used a cleansing oil?
I think you gave me cleansing oils before.
Have you used it?
Of course.
This is actually one of my favorite cleansing oils. It's kind of a little bit heavier, which I really like because it's great for removing makeup. What you can do is actually put this on dry skin and then kind of just massage off your mascara, your sunscreen, and then it emulsifies with water and you wash all that away.
Okay.
We are kind of making up a skincare routine that doesn't exist today with a middle of the day skincare routine, but do you want to try it? You might like it even now.
Of course, yeah.
Oh, that's right. We should have talked about skin type. So we actually have, I think we have the same skin type, right?
I'm very dry skin.
So you're going to pump a little bit of this out.
Okay.
And you see it's a little runny, but it's actually a thicker type of cleansing oil. Okay. Going to kind of just massage this and then...
I have to use this. As I go like this.
So you have... Oh, okay.
Because you want to keep these muscles
strong. Oh, you do face massage.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we can add some water, and you'll see that it emulsifies. It kind of turns a milky white color. But I think realistically we'll have to go to the sink. I don't know why this system doesn't work. Maybe because I don't have enough water. I don't know why it doesn't. I can't.
Portable camping sinks. You can squish
that exists.
Yes.
So we've rinsed off over here. What did you think? What did you think of the cleansing oil?
It's very nice. I wanted to leave it on.
You wanted to leave it on? Yes. Well, don't worry, we have a solution for that in this very box. Now, the thing is, with using a cleansing oil, typically what you would want to do is double cleanse. This will help, get off all the makeup and the sunscreen, and then you come in with a second cleanser. This isn't in the kit, but I am kind of dying to try one of these new Torriden products. They sent over some of their products in PR. And I've had a bunch of you tell me that you absolutely love this brand. I'm going to go ahead and try this because I want to double cleanse, even though I wasn't wearing makeup. It's hard for me mentally to only use a cleansing oil, even though you say you liked it. Do you want to try this? See how you like double cleansing? All right, so it's a cleansing gel. I obviously haven't tried this yet, so I don't yet know if it's going to be one of those that's kind of, oh, look how much it's foaming. Ooh, do you smell that?
Oh, that's nice.
That smells good. You want to try it?
Yeah, it's refreshing.
Yeah, it does smell good.
What is that? Cucumber, watermelon, what?
I think so. We are currently distracted by a dog that may be my mother's dog. What is it?
He saw that toy. He's shaking.
Oh.
He's actually shaking. He wants the toy. He found a toy, and he loves toys. Is that the word? He's insane with toys. Buddy, you're on camera.
You're on camera. You see you're on camera?
There you are, see?
Man, I really like how this one smells. You want to try it?
Sure.
Just use a tiny amount, though. And then add some water into your hand so you can get it foaming off your hands. That's my trick with K-Beauty cleansers. See?
More
yeah,
water.
Exactly.
Okay, lots of water.
Okay, we're back. I feel thoroughly cleansed. Do you feel thoroughly cleansed?
Thoroughly cleansed.
All right, excellent. So now it's time for toner. And I'm really excited about this. This one I haven't tried. This is the Abib Heartleaf Calming Toner. I did absolutely fall in love with a Heartleaf toner from another brand in the past. Oh, look at this. They have all the ingredients on the bottle. Granted, it's white on light green.
Very difficult. And small print.
And small print, but you can kind of see it. Yeah, that's pretty neat. We can just look at the ingredients on the box, though.
It's smaller print.
It's small print, but it's black print on white background.
That's true.
Which I immensely appreciate.
I would have to take a picture with my phone and then blow it up to see that.
Let's see. So the Heartleaf is that Hotunia cordata extract, and then we have some bifida ferment lysate. That's that ingredient that's in Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair. I've come to realize everyone has a different approach to skincare. Mine is to pick up a product and immediately look at the ingredients list, and then we can start thinking about everything else related to that product. I wonder if that's a result of having some sensitivities, getting some irritation from certain ingredients, like I was telling you, chemical filters.
Right. Probably. I do that with food. I read every label.
Oh, yeah, you do. Okay, so let's see what the texture of this is like. I feel like it's a little runny, so I think, it's runny. So I think we'll grab some of these pads here. These are the Cane cotton pads, and they're made so that they don't absorb too much of the product. Can you feel how it's a little different from most cotton pads?
Right.
So then we can pour this on here, and we won't be losing too much of this toner. Does it smell like anything to you?
No.
Yeah, it doesn't really have a smell. It feels hydrating. Did you know you can also stick these on your face?
Apparently.
It's goofy initially. You sort of feel like, this feels strange. But then you realize it's actually locking the ingredients into your skin because everything wants to evaporate from our skin. There you go. But we don't have to worry about that because we're going to do a sheet mask. If you were saying your skin is feeling extra dry today, it's cold. It's actually cold today. We can't believe it. It hasn't been cold in ages, but she said she's feeling extra dry, and oh, how we've got the solution for that.
Running. The heat is blasting. That always makes it dry.
We're also super ready for Easter, aren't we? Isn't that cute? Wait, no, don't say what his name is.
Okay.
We gotta see if they can guess who he is. Put him up on the screen.
See, we're matching.
We really are.
Remember this little character?
Does anyone know who this is?
I have good, fond memories of this little guy.
Me too. So apparently this was purchased at Disney, what do we have here? Disney World?
Yes.
Why did I just get confused? I've never been to Disneyland. Look at the price. Can you all see the price on that? That's a testament to it not being something that was recently sold at Disney World.
Like years ago.
So we're done with the toning step. I am really excited to use this more. Because again, this Heartleaf ingredient, it goes really well for me. I find it to be really soothing and calming, and it feels like a nice hydrating, non-irritating formula. So I'm really excited about this. I've missed my Nua Heartleaf that I promised myself I wouldn't buy because I need to try more things. Let's see if this Abib compares. And now we have a step that I think you're going to love, that I love. I'm really excited about this. We're going to use some sheet masks. Look at how they are not plain. This is a 10-pack. A 10-pack, I think? This says it will not only fully moisturize your skin, but also soothe skin comfortably. Intensive care for damaged skin.
Oh, that's me.
My skin is damaged. It has been through too much.
I have severely damaged skin. I just ate some.
You just ate some of the mask?
Mm-hmm.
Does it taste good?
No, not at all.
This is a little bit big for my face. Probably going to be big for your face, too.
Do not eat mask.
I've come to conclude we both have a smaller face. Perhaps that's genetics. Might be how that works.
Mm-hmm. Put some of that on my hands.
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, you can take out the rest of the essence that's in here and put it wherever you want.
That's a good spot.
Yeah. Ooh, this has peptides in it. I love peptides. It even has copper peptide. Acetyl hexapeptide. Oh my goodness, it's sliding on me too. It's in my mouth. Oh no.
It's slipping. It feels great, but
it feels great, but it is a slippy one. This is one to where we're already in bed.
I'm gonna pull the whole thing up from the top. Hang on.
This is what moms are for, you know, to
Anti-gravity.
help you reposition your sheet mask. All right, we're back. I think it's been, we think it's been about 10 minutes. We think so. So we're going to go ahead and take these off. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
No more slippy and slidey. How's your skin feel, though?
It feels really nice. It really does.
So we're just going to go ahead and let that essence sink into our skin while we chat about the next step here. This is going to be the TM Vita A Bakuchiol Youth Serum. Now, I'm not sure if this has, it does have some retinol palmitate to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and discoloration.
I got all that.
This has peanut oil in it. I feel like I never see peanut oil in products, probably because some amount of people are allergic to peanut oil. Yeah. It also has bergamot, which doesn't always go well for me. Oh, it's creamy. You're probably going to really like this. I guess this does make sense in a set that they curated for dry skin. Let's see, it's a creamy serum. All right. You ready to try this one out? See if it reduces fine lines, wrinkles, and discoloration?
I'm all for it.
I like the texture of this. I don't know if this will be one that I can really stick with. I'm a little worried about the bergamot. Do you smell bergamot in this?
I don't know what bergamot is.
It's like a citrus.
Yeah, okay. Citrus, yeah, I can smell citrusy. Hey, get down. You little pistol.
So now we're going to do a moisturizer. And this is one that I'm really surprised is in a set for hydration. But at the same time, I love this one so much. This is the Isntree Onion Newpair Gel Cream. Y'all have seen it in an empties video of mine. I love this one. So do you know why onion would be in skincare?
No.
Okay, so are you familiar with Mederma?
No.
The anti-scar stuff?
Oh, yeah. Okay,
yeah, so that's actually using a form of onion extract.
Oh, okay.
They've actually done research and found out that onions are great for helping with scars. The packaging looks so different on this one. Isntree is so quick with their repackaging. They don't actually change their formulas, just they've been going through a lot of packaging changes. Now, here's the thing that surprises me.
It's Easter.
This is, well, it is very Easter colored, isn't it?
Yes.
I would not have thought about that. This calls itself a gel cream, and I actually, for once, think it truly is a gel cream. It's not too light. It's not too light at all. Here, try it. Oh, I love this one so much. I'm so happy to have this back. Isn't that amazing? Doesn't that actually feel hydrating, even though usually with our skin type, we wouldn't want to use gels. It would be too light. But this one somehow...
We're going to talk about your skin type.
We're almost done with the skincare routine. There are actually two options, one for daytime and one for nighttime. And I really don't know which of these to do because it's actually the middle of the day for us. You want to try the sleeping pack and I'll try the sunscreen? That works out really well,
sure,
actually.
Okay.
Okay, so you're going to do the sleeping pack.
Okay.
And I'm going to do the sunscreen.
Every night sleeping pack.
Okay, so your sleeping pack says, product brightens skin complexion and improves skin wrinkles.
I like this one already. How do I know exactly what measurement proper amount is?
However much you like.
Okay, proper amount.
No, we're doing a YouTube video, so what you gotta do is show the texture. You gotta get up close and see. You want to look here, right? But this is where all the people that comment are. Right here. See hi.
So where am I looking exactly?
Here.
Okay. Oh.
She wanted to make sure she had enough to show you all.
I got wrinkles. I gotta deal with wrinkles.
It really doesn't. It does seem to have some scent.
Oh, that's very... It did say face and neck, you know.
Yes, it did say face and neck.
So
It's got panthenol. Panthenol is one of my favorite ingredients.
If I'm doing... This is really nice. Whatever this is, it's nice.
I figured you would like a sleeping pack.
Oh, you put this on at night.
Mm-hmm.
And neck... See, neck... Ugh.
So it has niacinamide, which helps with
arms. my age, you know.
So it has niacinamide, which helps with the evening of the skin tone, panthenol, which is great for soothing and calming, some hyaluronic acid, and it has a little bit of hydrolyzed collagen, which is not, as you noted earlier, she noticed this when I opened this box. Collagen in skincare is just a humectant. It's not the same as ingesting it. It's not the same as making your own collagen, but it is a humectant. It does help with delivering moisture into the skin, hydration. So then I'm going to do the sunscreen. Let's see. So this is the brand Ottie. It's called the Water Barrier Sunscreen, SPF 50+, PA+++++. Do you know why there's two measurements? So SPF is what measures UVB rays. Those are the ones that give you a sunburn.
Okay.
And PA measures UVA. Those are the ones that contribute to the aging process. It's buffing into my skin nicely. I like that we did this. I like that we did the day and night. So we can do one of each.
I very much like that. Feels really nice.
So we are done. We did a PM routine and we did an AM routine with the same Stylevana box. What's your favorite? What was your favorite product? The Farmstay. See, I love Farmstay. You know what's so great about this brand too is that this is a really affordable brand. Really affordable, but they have really nice stuff.
Yeah,
Go figure. Your favorite is one of the more affordable brands.
I really like this. This is really nice. They're all nice, though. I have to be honest. Everything was nice. The face mask, it was nice. They're all nice.
So what do you think? What do you think of K-Beauty?
Well, it feels really nice.
Was it hydrating?
Yeah, it's very hydrating. And I have such dry skin, especially right now. It's winter and we have the heat blasting and my skin is normally feels like it's going to fall off. It's so dry. So yeah, this is wonderful.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you for coming on.
Oh.
Thank you for coming on. That was pretty neat. Pretty neat to get to see how my mom feels about K-Beauty. Thank you to Stylevana for sending over this box. And thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you all next time.